Welcome to MotoMarket Explorer. Today, we're showcasing 10 classic motorcycles for sale. Real vintage icons full of history, power, and unmatched style. Let's dive right in. 1. 1965 Honda Dream, $3,000, Calhoun, Georgia. The 1965 Honda Dream is one of those motorcycles that changed the way people saw Japanese engineering. Known for its smooth ride and reliability, this bike represents Honda's early success in global markets. With only 74,000 miles, it's in impressively original condition, complete with new tires, seat, and battery. Both electric and kickstart functions work flawlessly, making it perfect for weekend cruising or display. It even comes with the original stock seat, adding collector value. The Dream's elegant curves and distinctive black finish bring a nostalgic feel that instantly transports you back to the 1960s golden age of motorcycling. A wonderful piece for any enthusiast looking to own a part of two-wheeled history. 2. A 1977 Harley Davidson FLH Electra Glide, $11,800, Bedford, Texas. A true American touring legend, the 1977 FLH Electra Glide defines Harley heritage. Its 74-inch shovelhead engine delivers that deep, unmistakable rumble that every rider dreams of. The bike has a hydraulic 5-speed transmission, a custom dual exhaust system, and a classic vintage police seat, all contributing to its raw yet refined personality. Add in a Batwing fairing, new battery, and Dyna-S electronic ignition, and you've got a ready-to-ride vintage beast that still commands the road. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of freedom and nostalgia, built for riders who love open highways and classic Harley power. 3. 1978 Suzuki GS Cafe Racer, $5,500, Meridian, Mississippi. This custom 1978 Suzuki GS has been reborn as a cafe racer masterpiece. Sleek, aggressive, and full of soul. Its handcrafted exhaust, bodywork, and seat give it a completely unique look that blends vintage aesthetics with modern edge. The engine runs strong, and the sound alone will make heads turn. Painted in a striking yellow, it perfectly embodies the rebellious cafe racer spirit of the 70s. Lightweight, fast, and confident, this GS is the kind of bike you ride not just to get somewhere, but to enjoy every second of the journey. A perfect blend of artistry and adrenaline for the modern collector. 4. 1977 Triumph Tiger TR7 RV, $3,500, DeLand, Florida. The Triumph Tiger is a name that carries heritage and heart. This 1977 model retains its original black finish and shows its age gracefully, with patina that tells its story. Recently, it's been meticulously restored. New ignition, wiring harness, tires, brakes, and a full exhaust system have brought it back to life. The 750cc parallel twin engine purrs smoothly, offering that distinctive British performance feel. The Tiger TR7 RV isn't just for display, it's ready for the road, combining mechanical charm with vintage personality. For those who appreciate the craftsmanship of the UK's golden era of motorcycles, this is one to admire. 5. 1972 Yamaha XS 650 Scrambler, $3,000, Houma, Louisiana. Few bikes are as versatile as the Yamaha XS 650, and this Scrambler conversion proves it. Equipped with both electric and kickstart options, it's perfect for riders who love reliability and a bit of adventure. The seller transformed this machine into a capable off-road scrambler, ideal for vintage trail rides or casual Sunday cruises. It's light, agile, and packed with charm. With the XS 650's durable engine and simple maintenance, it's a vintage bike you can truly enjoy riding, not just look at. A must-have for anyone who loves Yamaha's classic engineering paired with rugged, custom style. Six. 1972 Norton Commando 750, $6,900, Leesburg, Florida. The Norton Commando remains one of the most desirable British bikes ever built. This 1972 model is in outstanding original condition with very low miles, showcasing the timeless design that made Norton a racing legend. The 750cc twin engine is smooth yet powerful, delivering that signature growl through polished exhaust pipes. It's built for riders who value both beauty and balance, the perfect combination of craftsmanship and performance. Whether displayed in a collection or enjoyed on weekend rides, this Commando stands as a true symbol of vintage prestige. 7. 1999 Kawasaki ZRX 1100, $4,000, Austin, Texas. Inspired by the legendary Eddie Lawson superbikes of the 80s, the 1999 Kawasaki ZRX 1100 is a powerhouse that merges retro styling with raw speed. Featuring a new clutch, rebuilt carbs, and freshly serviced mechanics, it's ready to deliver an exhilarating ride. Its iconic green paint commands attention everywhere it goes. The bike runs flawlessly, no hesitations, just smooth acceleration and serious torque. Included in the deal, a matching racing jacket, helmet, and paddock stand. For riders who love a touch of nostalgia mixed with performance, this ZRX is a modern classic you can actually ride daily. 8. 1976 BMW R90/6, $3,250, Hendersonville, Tennessee. German engineering meets timeless design in the 1976 BMW R90/6. This vintage boxer twin has been cared for by just 2 owners since 1985, showing exceptional maintenance. Recently rebuilt carbs, new fuel lines, and upgraded exhausts keep it running strong. The R90/6 delivers a refined ride, smooth, balanced, and incredibly dependable. The paint may show some age, but that patina only adds to its authenticity. This is the kind of motorcycle that feels alive, with every thump of the engine echoing decades of history. A dependable touring classic that never loses its charm. Number 9. 1984 Moto Guzzi V65, $2,500, Knoxville, Tennessee. Compact, nimble, and full of Italian flair, the Moto Guzzi V65 is a hidden gem. Its 650cc V-twin engine delivers a unique rhythm that sets it apart from British and Japanese classics. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's perfect for relaxed weekend rides through winding country roads. The V65 is mechanically simple yet distinct in style, offering that unmistakable Guzzi charm at a very affordable price. For riders seeking something rare and character-driven, this is a fantastic entry into Italian vintage motorcycling. 10. 1971 BSA Thunderbolt, $5,500. New Iberia, Louisiana. The BSA Thunderbolt captures everything we love about British bikes: simplicity, reliability, and that unmistakable thump of a parallel twin engine. This 1971 model comes loaded with history, featuring mostly original parts, a fresh front tire, and new battery. It just returned from the Sturgis Rally, proving its reliability even decades later. Known for its comfortable ride and dependable kickstart charm, this Thunderbolt is perfect for enthusiasts who want a classic that still loves the open road. It's ready to be enjoyed, admired, and proudly displayed. And that's our lineup of 10 classic motorcycles for sale. Which one stole your heart? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to MotoMarket Explorer for more vintage motorcycle treasures. Ride safe and stay classic.